So I just made this basically with ChatGPT. So I'm gonna go to my Gmail and I'm gonna email this file to myself on my phone. So I have the file, the Chris Bills 1, that I emailed here to my phone, and I'm gonna go ahead and download it. I already downloaded it, but I'll just re-download here. And once it's downloaded, I'm going to click on it, and it's going to ask me to open with. I'm just going to open it with internet. I'm going to hit just once, and it's now on my phone. So I can add a row. I can type in, Citibank, put the URL in. And now I can basically use it just like I would on a computer. So if I want to pay my bill, I'll hit yes. And if I need to open the URL, I'll just click that. It'll take me straight to Citibank where I can sign in to pay my credit card. And I didn't show this one on the last video, but like let's say you want to delete a line. I do have the delete here. It'll just remove that line. Still change the background color. Set that green. I don't really like green. Let's try a blue. And all the functionality is still here. You can choose whatever month. And so basically you can create that on Notepad and use it on your phone. So that's just another option.